Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect eToro to TradingView in 2026. So first of all, you need to open TradingView. Afterwards, you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. So once this is done, you just have to launch any of the charts in front of you. If you don't know how to launch a chart here in TradingView, you have multiple options of doing so. When you log in into your account, you will see this type of page in front of you. So here you can either use the search bar here on the top. Then from this list, you can launch any of the charts by clicking on this launch chart tab. You can also click on this watch list icon on the top right hand corner. Then it is going to show you the list of some of the popular tickers already, or the list that you have added here. So you can click on any one of these and launch its chart by clicking on this full chart option. If you don't want to do that, you can just simply click on the option of this products and it is going to open any of the charts in front of you just like so. So once you are here on this chart analysis page, you just have to click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. When it shows you the list of the brokers, simply click on the option of show all brokers so that it could show you all of the list of all of the brokers that you can basically connect with your TradingView account. So among these, we need to look for eToro. So use the search bar on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, simply type eToro. So eToro icon, if it comes here, it simply means that you can connect it with your TradingView account. But as you can see in my region, there is no eToro option available. So in this situation, you can't actually connect your eToro account directly with your TradingView account. So in this situation, you just have to open a new tab. Afterwards, you need to search for eToro.com. When you are here on the website of eToro, simply click on the login option on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, simply provide your eToro login credentials. So once you do this, you will get access to your eToro account. So here you can use TradingView for the analysis. After that, in order to punch your orders, you can either provide your credentials into your MetaTrader 5 account and then you can punch your order from there, or you can also execute your orders directly with the help of eToro web browser, or with the help of its application. So that's the only way as of right now to use eToro with TradingView in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.